Dear students, in this class we are going to discuss about stepper motor. First we will see the introduction of the stepper motor. A stepper motor is also known as step motor or stepping motor. It is a brushless DC electric motor that divides a full rotation into a number of equal steps. It is a brushless DC electric motor that divides a full rotation into a number of equal steps. A standard motor will have a step angle of 1.8 degree with 200 steps per revolution. Let us see the principle of the stepper motor. The operation of this motor works on the principle that unlike poles attract each other and like poles repel each other. When the stator winding are excited with a DC supply, it produces a magnetic flux and establishes the north and south pole. So the stator behaves as a electromagnet. Then we will see the classification of stepper motor. Basically it is classified into three types. First one is variable reluctance stepper motor. Second one is permanent magnet stepper motor. And finally hybrid stepper motor. The variable reluctance stepper motor is further divided into single stack variable reluctance motor and multi-stack variable reluctance motor. First we will see about the permanent magnet motor. See the diagram. It is the permanent magnet stepper motor. The rotor is made up of permanent magnet. So it is called as permanent magnet motor. Permanent magnet motors use a permanent magnet in the rotor and operate on the attraction or repulsion between the rotor permanent magnet and the stator electromagnets. So it is a permanent magnet motor. Let us see the variable reluctance motor. The variable reluctance motor, that is VR motor, have a plain iron rotor. See the diagram, it has a plain iron rotor and operate based on the principle that minimum reluctance occur with minimum gap. Hence the rotor points are attracted towards the stator magnetic poles. Variable reluctance motor have a plain iron rotor and operate based on the principle that minimum reluctance occurs with minimum gap. Hence the rotor points are attracted towards the stator magnet poles. See the diagram. It is the variable reluctance motor in which the rotor soft iron, that is salient poles, offer a lower reluctance to magnetic flux. Then the hybrid motor. It is the combination of variable reluctance motor and permanent magnet motor. The hybrid motor has the sum of the desirable features of each. Normally they exhibit step angle of 0.9 to 5 degree. Let us see the operation of motor, that is motor stepping. There are three commonly used excitation stepping modes. One is full step mode, second one is half step mode, and finally micro step mode. Full step mode. This is the usual method for driving the motor. Both phases are always on. This is the usual method for driving the motor. Both phases are always on. Each stepping covers 90 degree of rotation. In single phase full step excitation, the motor is operated with only the energized phase at a time. This mode should only be used where torque and speed performance are not important. Speed and torque performance is not important. So it is the full step operation of the stepper motor. For the full step operation, it is the coil energization. For A1, see the diagram, final diagram. For A1, the coil 4 is on, coil 3 is off, coil 2 is off, coil 1 is off. Only the coil 4 is on. It will be marked as red. Then for A2, the coil 3 is on, it is marked as red in the diagram. And for A3, the coil 2 is on. And for A4, the coil 1 is on. It is the full step operation. In dual phase full step operation, the motor is operated with two energized phases at a time. This mode provides good torque and speed performance with a minimum of resonance problems. See the diagram. At a time, two phases will be excited. Here, third and fourth phase is excited. So it is the full step operation for the two phases. So first for the B1, the coil 4 and coil 3 is on. And for B2, coil 3 and coil 2 is on. And for B3, coil 2 and coil 1 is on. And it is marked as red in the diagram. And for B4, coil 4 and coil 1 is on. Half step operation. For half step excitation, there will be alternate single and dual phase operation. resulting in steps 1 of the normal step size. Each step completes 45 degree of rotation. Motors can be operated over a wide range of speeds. See the diagram. First we have to give single phase supply, then we have to give dual phase supply. That is excitation. It is excitation given for the half step mode. For A1, coil 4 only on. Remaining other coils are in the off position. So it is marked as red line. But for B1, we have to give dual phase mode. Therefore, coil 4 and coil 3 is on. Then for A2, the coil 3 is on. That is a single phase. And for B2, coil 3 and coil 2 is on. That is for the dual phase. So we have to give alternate single phase and dual phase for the half step operation. Then micro step. In the micro step mode, a motor's natural step angle can be divided into much smaller angles. Typically, micro step modes range from divide by 10 to divide by 256. This mode is only used where smoother motion or more resolution is required. How to calculate the step angle? The number of degrees a rotor will turn per step is called a step angle. The number of degrees a rotor will turn per step is called a step angle. It is denoted by a theta s. It is calculated by step angle, that is theta s equal to 360 degree divided by s, where s is equal to m into nr, where m is number of phases, nr is number of rotor teeth. Step angle theta s equal to 360 degree divided by s, where s equal to m star nr, that is m into nr. M is number of phases, nr is number of rotor teeth. Then step angle calculation for this motor. See the diagram. M equal to 3, nr equal to 4. There are 3 phases. Therefore, m equal to 3, that is 6 poles. So, 3 phases. M is equal to 3. nr, see the number of poles in the rotor, that is 4. So, s equal to 3 into 4, that is equal to 12. Therefore, the step angle theta s is equal to 360 degree divided by 12 equal to 30 degree per step. So, it is the step angle calculation. Let us see the working procedure of unipolar motor. See the diagram. There are 4 supply voltages that is given by the 4 transistors, and digital mode is given. There are 8 inputs. 4 voltage sources are connected using wire to the stators of motors through transistors. Current goes to the stator through the coil. As a result, a magnetic field is created at the charge pole. For magnetism, the charging pole attracts the permanent magnet of the motor. Though there are 4 voltages with stepper motor, there can be 8 input combinations. In the previous figure, input combination highlighted is 0001. That is, the input comes through first wire only. Corresponding pole becomes charged. That is, the first pole is charged and attracts magnetic pole to it. The right sided picture shows the position of the magnet. See the diagram. It is the position of the magnet. If we give the input as 1001, the corresponding values of coils first and fourth will be magnetized. Then the rotor position will be in the middle between 1 and 4. So if the input is 1010, that the input comes through second and fourth wire, corresponding poles become charged and attract the magnetic pole to them. Though both charging poles attract the magnet positions in the middle of them, which is shown in the right side of the figure. Then we will see the applications of stepper motor. It is used in factory automation, semiconductor fabrication equipment, automation and labor saving devices. In factory automation, it is used in X-ray plotters, laser processes, electric discharge processes, NC machines, sewing machines, etc. For semiconductor fabrication equipment, the wafer processing devices is used. Wafer conveyors, IC bonders, dicing machines, IC inspection devices, etc. use the stepper motor. For automation and labor saving devices, for ATM, ticket machines, postal sorters, laboratory systems, bill counters, vending machines uses stepper motor. Then for the medical equipment, for the analytical instruments, blood pumps, centrifuges, spectrographs uses medical equipments. Then for the office automation, copiers, faxes, word processors, printers, optical and magnetic disc devices uses stepper motor.